Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to increase Snapscore on Snapchat. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Snapchat app. So here it is. Now click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Here we can see our score. Simply tap on this. Here we can see number of snaps sent or viewed, number of snaps received, and number of stories. We know that if we increase the number of snaps sent, we can increase our snap score. So let's close this, get back. Now what we can do is click on this plus sign over here. Scroll down, here we can see multi-snap option. So let's tap here. Now here, in place of sending just one snap, you can add multiple snaps at once. Simply tap on this plus sign. So here you can send 8 snaps at once. That is how your number of snaps sent will be increased. Now click on send to. Choose the maximum number of people you can send. Once you are done, simply click on send. As we increase the number of snaps sent, we'll also increase the number of snap score. So this is all. This is all we can do to increase snap score on Snapchat. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.